Hey, it's Shaun Davis with Sure-Trac Trailers. Today I want to go over the features and benefits that make up the tube top utility trailer. Starting up front with the 2,000-pound Setback Jack. This jack is conveniently set back so it'll clear the tailgate of your truck. You don't have to worry about putting a ding on your tailgate. Tube top utility trailers feature 2x2 square tube uprights and top rail. This helps provide more structural rigidity to the trailer. Spare tire mount. So we work our way to the back of the trailer. We also have some stake pockets just for tie down points and a heavy duty ramp gate. These ramp gates feature a fold flat function and also have a spring assist, just making the gate easier to operate, as well as self-retained gate pins. These pins will not come out and you don't have to worry about losing them. Another key feature on the tube top utility trailers are protected wiring. We run our wiring through this piece of conduit so that the wiring is protected, as opposed to being stapled up underneath the deck and being exposed to all the harsh elements. I'm Shaun Davis with Sure-Trac Trailers. If you have any other questions on the Sure-Trac tube top, or any other Sure-Trac for that matter, get online and see us at Sure-Trac.com.